Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we just got this package from 271 Performance. And in here we have one shirt, two shirts, stickers, and we have this, and we have the 271 rear mount for the 11th Gen SI. So it comes in this cool little case. Packaging's great. Everything was safe in shipping, same as the downpipe that I received. And check this out. This looks like a high quality piece for a rear mount. So Fast and the Furious quote, winning is winning. Here's the torque specs for the chassis side and the engine side. It's pretty light, and this just looks awesome. High quality piece. Anyway, install should be pretty simple. Inside here you have the installation instructions. My phone's going off. Yeah, anyway, in here you have the installation instructions. You can use the app, and part number, info number, warranty, another 271 sticker, and yeah. Anyway, we will go outside and we will get rid of the stock rear mount, and we will get this installed. I can't wait to try it out. I was talking to them directly. I was unsure if I should go 70 or 90, but I plan on taking the car to the track. I do want to drag race it. I would like to. The goal is to go run a 1299 at some point. I don't know if it's going to be sooner or later, but that's the goal. Once I have a few more parts, is to take it to the track. So they recommended that I go with the 90A. So we're gonna get this in. I know the 70 is pretty straightable, it's fine. And I don't know a lot of people that are running the 90, so we're gonna get this installed. We'll video that, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on what it's like driving around town with the 90A mount. Alright, so we got the car up on the jack, motor mount's over there, and so if you're underneath the car looking up, it's hard to video from underneath the car. So anyway, you're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips with a flathead, and then Phillips, 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 that's towards the rear of the car, and then flathead, 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 flathead. So it's a lot easier just for me to have this off and laid out in place. So if you're laying underneath the car, this is towards the front, this is towards the rear, and that's the location for 6 clips, the 6 Phillips heads, and the 4 flatheads. And if this isn't good enough, I'll post a picture up now with each location circled. Alright, so now we're underneath the car, and let me see here, see if I can. So this is 19 mil here that goes towards the engine side. So crack that off. We're at the point now that's on its way out. So 19 on the engine side, and there's just one other one. It is right there. Let's see if I can. Right there. So it's a 17 on the chassis side. 17 there, 19 there. So anyway, I have those cracked, and I'm going to get those out right now. Alright, so 19's out. 17 just dropped in as well. So after that, we can just grab the mount, and it just slides right out. So now we'll grab the 271 mount and get it in place. Alright, so here's a look at the OEM mount compared to the 271 mount. Anyway, we're going to take this now and get it fitted up and bolt it back in. Alright guys, so when you're installing this mount, it's going to go letter side up, so you're actually going to be able to read it. This end here is towards the chassis side, with the poly end towards the engine. So really, this should just try to do this with one hand. Might be able to. Oh. Alright, so there that goes. Now I'm going to get the bolts and line them up. Alright guys, so I got the bolts through, this one here and one here to the chassis, one to the engine. It was kind of a pain in the ass. You have to push up. You have to try to push up on this front pipe to get this bolt in. If not, when you're originally starting it out, it'll hit the front pipe. So you'll have to push up on this and just kind of mess with it till you get it through, lined up and through the holes. But anyway, right now I'm at the point I'm gonna tighten this and tighten the one to the chassis. After that, we're gonna get the splash shield, get all that back in, and I'll post a picture that I had up before of showing the location for the clips and the Phillips and the flathead screws. And yeah, that's pretty well it. After that, then we'll take it for a drive. Alright, mount's completely in, everything's tight. We're gonna get this back on and lower the car down and start it up. But yeah, that's pretty well the install for the 271 rear mount. Pretty simple. Really, all you need is Phillips head, flathead to get rid of the splash tray, 17 mil, 19 mil, get the bolts out for the mount, stock mount slides out, no mount goes in, tighten them back up. You have to push up on the front pipe just to get the engine side mount hole lined up for the bolt to slide through. Then after that, we're going to throw the heat shield back on, or splash shield I mean, and yeah, that's pretty well it. It's a simple install. Product fits perfectly. I don't expect any less than 271 after I installed their downpipe. So yeah, this is my second product with them, and I'm very happy with the quality. I'm very happy with the packaging they provided and the shipping. Fitment's awesome. Nice quality piece. Came with a few stickers, the product information, registration number, all that stuff for your warranty. It came with they have an app as well, so you can get down the step-by-step instructions for any installs for any of their parts. And if you're looking for their parts in Canada, make sure to hit up Unity Performance. They're based at Ontario. They're the authorized 271 dealer in Canada. And if you were in the US, just hit up 271 directly. Anyway, that'll wrap up this video. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. All those things help. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.